Father's Day world. This is Valentina's house. Then there's also my house. Nice and big. First, you'll see inside of it. Then, downstairs. And finally, upstairs. First, it's down here.
Pero no vas a hacer el cuarto ese grande.
If you want to walk and not drown, go through this. See? There's air holes. This is my living room, even though there's no living.
That's cool. Da la vuelta, muestra todo el cuarto, muestra todo, muestra todo.
Now, time to go upstairs. And one moment. Now this would be my roof, kind of like a giant chessboard. Now, you'll find out why I'm going back to Valentina's house. Ah, dang it. Jump down here. There's some wool. Then we'll go up here. And there you have it. Nice big hut.
You forgot Maya.
Shh.
You forgot Maya.
I don't know. And this is for Father's Day. Now, last but not least, Maya's house. Dang. When you go inside, you'll see some, kind of like a mini library corner. Then you'll see her pool, nice and organized. Then you can go inside her garden / sunroom. No, wait. I'll tell you when to end. Three, two, one. That was our Father's Day.